Hey guys, iOS Pro here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new MagSafe charger for the new iPhone 12 today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is we gotta pull this pull tab right on the back of the box here to open it. And now we're in. So it comes in this like foldable like cardboard thing like this. And there's the charger. So to get it out of the box here, there's like little tabs we got pulled to release the cord here. So like this. So there we go. And here's the charging pad itself. Comes right out just like that. And here we go. Here's the MagSafe charger. So you see it does stick to the back of the iPhone 12 very well. On my 12 Pro Max, it's very strong. And you just pull it to release it. It's kind of like a bigger version of the Apple Watch charger here. So I'll do it again. So you guys can see, it holds very well due to the magnets on the back of the phone here. Okay, so to demonstrate how this works, I can go ahead and plug it in. So I'll come back when I'm done plugging it in. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I successfully plugged my MagSafe charger into my power bank. And now, when I bring my phone close to it, it should magnetically attach. And just like that, it's now charging. You heard the new charging sound for when a MagSafe accessory is attached. I'll do it again. Give it a second here. And just like that, that's the new MagSafe charging sound that Apple has introduced for MagSafe accessories. So this is what it looks like when it's charging. You guys can see it's very strongly adhered to the phone with magnets. It wouldn't even let go unless you shake it violently, or shake it hard. But you guys can see it's very strong, works very efficiently, and it's a nice look for the back of the phone too. So when I set it down here, you guys can see there's no wiggle whatsoever. So the phone stays totally flat on the table with the new MagSafe charger. This will also work with older phones, like the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone SE 2nd generation, the iPhone 8, the iPhone 10, the iPhone XR, and the iPhone 11 standard. Just like that. So this works with all wireless charging iPhones from the iPhone 8 and above. So that's really cool. So that is the new wireless MagSafe charging plug for the new iPhone 12 and higher models. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Peace out.